Kasa. Shatawale to the world. It's not a joke, you know what I'm saying? So what?
Can't waste me time, coming no me grow. And I find my life and I pop the show. Some of them burn them bridges, some of them cut the link, some of them just stick, I just saw them end up in the heat. Some of them cross a pathway, cut off the tree. Some of them sell out to one down and the whole team. Some of them blast them ways and them because them can't run from the truth. Spiritually, them
I know I share the don't till the door in it, you know what I'm saying? Shatawale to the world. It's not a joke, man. Sir, I'm to me now. You will come. Obaso, I know I share. Obaso, I know I share. Obaso, I know I share. Obaso, I know I share.
The thing I keep them sleepless night.
Yeah. So we're caption now. I'm saying Shatawale to the world. What I say? Time square and a joke. Yeah. SM fan, come on board. Come, let's talk. I'm on for the don't till whether I say we have a can be. Now, same says, I don't till Uncasa, and I'm Simunya about what I say. Because near him say, near maybe Boba, I'm sitting up Boba. You did be too young about bad friends. What I say, I do the over so I share them question. I've been never shout on us. Oh, sleepless night, no. I didn't say, baby, Ramo. Oh, the don't till I don't win it. See your papa? And you are Abeka Afro, you know, good them. Aye, what's one was she no be any what I say, she no near beyond everywhere. You don't till I don't win it. Mania wanna be. Oh, yeah, always sell out to you. SM fans comes, let's talk. And then mention ranch. So, ooh. What's one of my shadow beers when you be what I say? Baba Kama, thanks for your support, thanks for your song. Honorable Baba Kama, thanks for your support, man. God bless you, baby. I will be what I say. Achio, Peche. The thing I keep them sleepless. Ajipari, yeah, thanks for watching the Don Tilo, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, share, let's share them question. And you have a church and say move. If I can't say we SM fans, come, let's talk. And if you want to follow me, yeah, what I say? Yeah, Momuna. And then one of the program, yeah, Momuna. Yeah, Momuna. And you may that they are Bonnie Bobium. And Tim say, if you want to follow me on YouTube, Don Tilo, yeah, about the Don Tilo. Wait to follow me or YouTube. Monkonam ko subscribe my Don Tilo. And ka life here you can honi be channel what you see and any amount to my question more. And I also follow me on Facebook on so the Don Tilo King of the Universe. You can follow me on Facebook, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And at the end some na me can ya same be here. Even the media in Ghana are not talking about it. I mean who say yaw what you say omo kan ho say because any omo arty. And if Shatawale is doing we need to talk about it. You know, that's what I'm doing here. Yen chance Shatawale be we will not sit down to say Shatawale wu ani abedi no dance here. Wa ko obi ayi ani pa no ye kromfo a ya kan sempa fa no no they won't do that. Enya de on be sada so wa ko obi ayi se nipa ko so ye kromfo so ye wudi ni niam bi o ye bi enye na obi abeji odi dance ma we otiase no ye kromfo no ye wudi no ye say what be that be see that. Yen chema nipa ni nipa na tiase na se ye kan sempa fa no and what Shatawale is taking Ghana music to no ebe boama the young artists no mo ban enya film in doing music. Yeah, and say oh yeah de na say niam na nya enipa omo TV ase a obi ya na de na nya na ode a hye nim no omo na ya wudifo but say wo TV ase na say obi a niam bi koso na nya na oba out the kind of bolia they see you say una enipa boni ni yes o kasa dodo sa na Ghana we are hypocrites. Obi ya de nya nya kura na we can't talk about it near to no hwe baby a Shatawale adru. The media is not talking about it. Because Uncle Stoneboy, Uncle Sakode, Uncle Samini, Uncle RTB or Mope, Uncle Shatawale. And in a year's night, no. And Yama Papa Bebo Abrabu, Yana Bako Peru, in Yamena Shishe. If we are yet, and near my Papa Bebo Abrabu, Moon to me copre, you will do how the near to suffer so than one echoing, but emfa. But in Yanko Pono, one a Pama, Ebeba. There are some things in life, it comes by Ishra. You cannot say be untimi. Times Square one easy. We say about TV so crazy. Ye square ye ka pass ye so na okokejeti a. Bo say sa screen bi ho na bi a Milo hwan na show so won star advert no. E bi na esi ho. And obi o TUS bia no. Untimi fuck around the New York City. The New York City is the hottest city in US. City bia no why hottest in New York. There be when na onye enye na ye be hu abruchiri. Obi okọ to US until New York. But to me obaga na was me New York. It's not until New York. And so obeka so it's not USA class be obeka so New York. Because New York there's no hottest city. E wo US and e oba we kan obobo osire makekeke. I say oba a tourist baha. Baby we tourist ne tower pa e Jumira. Resident one e hono mo pa. Ya Jebia. There was street bi wa if ever resource hotel animu ekon a street I won't say tourist no ho more as see am no kasenye say yama tourist my visa ma habim na call pa na so tourist mrofo ma frabu chira by ho no mo sa screen bi wo ho ye advert so e ho ye busy sa street okokura mrofo nko na bi hu oti du ba bi anim ya mekan e ho club e ho nyina e ho na memeti e ho na me ye adwuma club e ho nyina mrofo club betuma ko club na mrofo nko abe ho po bi ni ho ya eti ehonu amonfo tu kwa kuchicha pictures so wako US New York na say one Times Square ene I say wako Kumasi was one ko adum usu uti Kumasi won ko adum ubeko Times Square ho obehwe niam e ko disi show ade wo so a na Davido itu so o shede fly in gangs amom ko kuchicha pictures to prove because obi ani panjini Ghana oburu obi so na ene ya o koso sin obi anene ya enti enka ho asem we no wo se de bia meka korabo ho asem se busa wo se Shatawale na bia nanyo wo yes okopromote no nyo ho a unim sika ka Shatawale bitua ke be bon fom enu ti na se oye oni nyame hira wa obefa nkofo no ma ya ma Shatawale da hokọ ne kapre nimu ne kapre nim ne one city say nim sia say tua ne ka and oya omo ayina na about ebo ho no onu kwa ni video na ni ye yi oni video na any dream ayi na omo de ayi I go take bullet for you no omo de yes I video ni kitu abi na me de kire mo no and na no e show wo so Shatawale ko ba people ask who is this man unim ne me baba Shatawale akwam unim ne me de baba Shatawale akwam obi say Achipalago is the master in the building Achipalago master in the building. Yeah, I get your point now. What you say? We need me be pressure to but people don't think about those things. Eti korabo dey bia me betena aka no say eba eyi no ba. Because oye onuma na big boys na be forward. You see omo contractors music group for no. Omo na ya ade na omo dey do musication say abo no kwa mayu. But ma started to dance here. Young man ade na popular. Eti by the time ade na be ba out no, enipa dimirika na be run for abo no. E one face na that abo no Shatawale. Sa na ye nyumo. Sane yenum eti yenya kura nye ye omunya kura nye efa abone man o matati campaign hard say dey be ade ne ba e be booming the market and e booming the market it will help Shatawale she me say unshire be ba ho so obi kura ho e be pam na fi obi say say dey na e confi ho for Shatawale blessings to come out because e confess na that so before kura na ba na ma for say Shatawale picture nim Shatawale din na wa hye keke ba na nyame wo emre bi ma Shatawale. It is a Shatawale grab a shan, see a confirm. A sent Tawanta will bet that a corner and conform to make a way for Shatawale. For a whole acorn, say the acorn was on board as well. But see, be acorn if you on Shatawale, I saw they think about it, and it's a Yamin Shira, and then the many pile before, and your breduma. It will be people who be brave. May I say, I am Philly Shatawale, you know, and say, and I'm the way Yamin. Kasawati. Check Peche audio. Time for watching the Don't from Jebel Ali, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. They just think about this. And the man yami edi pay or the fool when he Shatawale. Because Ekon and there anymore. Yeah, you know, and Kasa, Times Square in Capichana down Kebe Ekono. But it changes to Shatawale. And Unyani Panashisho in Yamin Shira. In Yamin Shira. It's Yamin Shira. Nippon to me, see quite. Share Ghana, a media almost just almost Shatawale in crowd, becoming so much Shatawale in my BP. Now, media for on wine I was sent Times Square. TV station banner, I was through all Ghana saying, even Times Square, billboard night, a digital screen the way you to. Do you know the people who watch you? Wouldn't go for because see a bit movie can see you, we are you show no artists like I said, say Jay-Z, what will you name it? Artist was swing as a bibia, a bit show so. There's no digital we are see ye advert so what's for saying what? Tell me. You just tell me if your baby stream here digital be a son essence why and that is heaven. This what the command coupon. Then coupon yamon. And so I understand man for kasa bibli. About for cry ni in free Ghana. Because what control me built me company and room kakrake. Ye Ghana for 2 penawa. Even African can run na lady back could be a party. Social distance near person can later kutum. So later kutum. Later na kutum no. Omukura can't say omo feel it because whiskey and the Kenya bi. And so Nigeria artists no mkiye omko Times Square honi nyina no mu nyina no natama no mo ye look say me fa say record label international bi ansan no o man tuma nko whiskey ko so nya international signing David ko because nya international signing Benaman the same thing omunya international signing no mutumi ko omunya record label from international sign no ba Shatawale international bi ansan no so akọ be a Babylon kwat to me kire say enye Shatawale ne ko ho na eyimu ne wa hye we dump I don't know how Santa Shatawale be try life no ntumi control we be diatam because obo say omo ye weak e wo madwim and say the boys no pam omo no so what we ase na wadwum ha we making money man we making goddamn money it's a obi ben wona say emmo wa twani firi wa brabom won say mo ye Babylon bi na say mo be gba na say Beyonce de ba mo amu and unim say be only Beyonce korabo no and it dey ko fa asade you brand because for a whole Beyonce to do korabo with you say be you pay money for Beyonce no me korabo say there somebody only carry there somebody ko fa carry by no and somebody is paying carry and I say the omo ni one times but assuming say carry never Stonebwoy and you a different line and you think say big artist ni be fa wa e bow sense say we fa big artist no because we fa big artist now you have to pay money in it it's a one yes can promote it to the highest level it won't sell as you want but semi fan says a big artist ni be fa wa and you think they be catch all the most original Stonebwoy I want shampoo correct say ka shampoo na ya what I say ka shampoo na be fa na ba na uni be bi kan ni views aduru na shampoo kwa ni followers yes say e ho asem na ye kan e ho asem na ye kan make Shatawale ni ayi Beyonce no kwa no video nya mai no o matwam 24 million or you know already 24 million we dey busa ekọ it is a video be kan one amanfo nya video so o mo hwe a ojo uni be duru it will be pushing Shatawale e push Shatawale sa it will dey hwe abon no kwa nya mayo we be o start ya advert first say meaning say if we wa DSTV first Ghanaian team me born on channel O na e feel the India a biggest scene ye bo MB ye bo tracer wa feel so ye bo MTV base wa feel sir because a big any TV3 any UTV a international scene it first so meaning me we see DSTV na say be hu Ghanaian TV say channel ya born nyoma na afa because many people will see that you trace your ball trace what feel many people will see that and GTV and one TV there be an international scene it is a Times Square on unim number of people unim a managers who is this guy a whole album we are seeing now you and you say be a greater Accra reggae for here and Africa reggae for and jam we are see artists on guso now says la we ni paketwa binima we ni paketwa omuguswa Shatawale nyama na do because omu maboy ne pie and unim ni pebe try say omu ne be korabo and the korabo bebe nyina dey call for Shatawale korabo ne Shatawale go and call them because you have seen me and you've seen what I've done when me nyama papa amaye and na person me lie unim enyema de be Shatawale more blessings so that's why I was saying say youth who are making music in Ghana should copy from the Don Shatawale today I love it's all about life and all cause Don One that's the real name we don't shut up akupe etinkwana mo ba masa hwe ayi small boy o mo friend bra Alexis why I want me pese me promote because me tie ne nyum bia waya ma Shatawale me Philip sa bra Alex sa oboasi ni small boy no he's a king wo ma o Shatawale a king still akran rap ni tie sem akran no kan rap ni go to YouTube and check of it so don't fuck with Shatawale he's a blessing the most high na abshira enye nipa na ehira no ana ono so onhwe nipa ni nhira enu tete so ono wudi no so wo ye fake obeputu at the right corner but still a man for ayomo yama still people have negative voice against this nhira we nyame dia man no So you people, what else do you want? I don't get you. I get back then. Mo pay say Shatawale dey. Mo dey mo kan kire me. Ni nyamidi a boy ni duru no. Adi bia ni one ni ti won pay. Now is there any Ghanaian artist who has been to the order? Huh? New York Times Square. Is there any Ghanaian artist who has been there? Tell me. There's no Ghanaian artist. But we have artists who say they are international artists. They go international, and Shatawale is a local champion. So if the local champion, you're choosing it, what do you mean? Man, it's not about talk. Anything except a Casadodo and top on co. It's not about you hating him or wherever he's going. They say if you cannot beat them, you better join them. That's how it is. So if you cannot beat the SM family, you better join the SM family. That's what I'm telling you. SM for life. We real niggas. Yanka adia yeni. When nyamiri Shatawale could do. And so I'm for be brain. Me kwada me nya ready say me be janama be yama say. She say wa baby. I have nothing to prove to you. Say, mohe, open, record check what be who are na de bia meka no. Me prove hwe nkyerɛw, but you know it. And yes, me dey better because all the better to say scratch na manfo they would still talk shit about it. So what's the extent of you doing that? No, I'm gonna do that. There's no way I'm gonna do that. What pa ko check what there? Shatawale is there. Shatawale to the world. Whether you like it or not, Shatawale will wiase baby. Because uye bia we unim numu. So unim numu. Man, share, let's go. Share, SM family, share. No bia san kabina haters no. Ehu baby eduru. So unim numu. Na so we baby Shatawale eduru na behu. Sa die we stone mo nya bia ope. Sa akode nya bia ope. Samini nya bia ope. Bibia omo ati bia nya bia ope. African artists nya bia omo ope. Na wo David eto no awe. A big achievement in life. Say you be premier or you do better. Because say easy in a day. Do you know how much it's out here? In a day, ni per call is over 100,000 in a day. Ni per foul, you could you purchase in a day. And so why you need to meet that way day? Could I scare bet you on crown kwesika? So, and young crown kwesika, a young penny, and young crown kwesika. It is a you to me the Shatawale tour for all this while. A showcase ni kapre on na make kan hese nyame nhira no nyame na oboy no se wuji nyame di na hu ni nhira na e ba wa kwama e ma ne ma nyina ye ofo se nti no se wona wode won to adurade so no ade nyina di bon na wie won yi won ne ma di bo Shatawale wie ni yi no because ene on pre ho for you to go and pay that money so Shatawale e say bia o promote no nyum bi say sleepless night no de koto a don you know amount of money Shatawale betia enye yi say ba we say a o da wo fala o what our fala won't yashi, what our fala. People, I'm for a pre episode, I'm for a chase canoe. It's where I dear one big stars in a year, I dear boy say. Omonomotia Jumanasi, and Omo Pisca and Crown Cressican and Fan Ghana Nibu, Omo first cut to the world. And Ghana, yes, Ghana, a population crisis, 30 million as I say. It's out to Ghana now, yes, animal, you dream about only Ghana. But when or come to the world, it's where upon omo yacho uni baby omo ye promo ne nam you don't know it baby because say and you global world. So when you selling something, don't think about maybe Ghana so comfort hono kwa debi it say and wo de we na ye hu wo New York Times Square no uni be Jamaica it will go to a time Shatawale will be selling everywhere. It's Shatawale cat wo to we asia enipa be hye no nyeni paketwa. That's what you have to think about it. Because how popular you are. What is say? Kobo show channel nani pakrewu Michael Jackson nani pewu because no ma selling am ewiase nyina hu no. Sane no tie. Se selu nyina me wiase nyina hu a ba bia bakwa Bob Marley no ko ba bia selling me wiase nyina hu no. Enti enfam se won free Jamaica obetuma ko Tokyo so kobo show. Omo Chinese for Japan for one for na kro bia so be koso bia no. Omo na be tuo di akire gidigidi because omo nimo omfru omo kromo but omo fa na nyom no. Sanity. It's the way I Shatawale started kono. Hey, man. So I almost say I no we can say it needs to be security say a billboard Times Square no. Joe Ghana for near ni bre. Me say would Ghana for near anwa chi dia Joe untumi nya hwe obiase o. Wo say de bia me de maduana na me ton Ghana ye example kire mo. Say me yes me jade kire because
we here to make money. We work for money. Na me say me chira de. Nye say my boy tie na me go school na mato matare na me feel. Me I'm working for money. Me say ade na me chira no. Me chira ska me ji. Na me say me wo platform me wo me pub. Ade na me start say me here aduane fully. Me here aduane me nyeska me man kwan na me start here. Me share like catch nkofo bi around me. My loved ones say bi obi beka so tilo ye. Omu na afere say bi a wo ye be ma na otomfo kwara so state obi a yenso ye fie no bo fie. Me cho obi aboy. Me cho obi aboy na me am start say me to aduane e turumre bia. Omu nkofo na no mo kan obi tumi from chatilo. Me bo na aya na aponche no waja na hwa ama me. Say I was making money, big time money. Na ma me de ba kroma. Way 7 years back. Yeah. So, etino ewiase na yete no se wudi Ghana, especially Ghana ho no se wudi nipa because me ba kroma be hu niam bebira na ye wo Ghana ye de kyekere ho a ehu ni mfaso awa uti US uti hin nyina wo hu asema making what you say it is wa niam be na wo de kyekere ho de ojo wo be wu ma wakoma no kasantina shetawale wo koso no unhwe nipa because enipa ho na ne kasa pa ye onyame ene wo wurade eti wo wurade na ho na ne kasa na de asi wurade na wona ne kasa na wona si o eti so we wadwen so be tietie nipa don enipa bebre wo abrabom ho omo wo abrabom se baby a wo duru ntia ye onipa bebre wo abrabom a omo wo abrabom simply because baby a wo duru in life ntia baby a wo ana omo so fa blessings ni bi omo add anything to your life ebi ni Shatawale boys ya wasake omo no omo wo Shatawale life omo feel omo no omo na wana omo ji omo di Shatawale din address mu no omo didi. But they are not putting anything. Say Siana Shatawale choma bo. Na manfo bebre say Shatawale tin atena wo so. Okay, say Siana Shatawale choma bo. Wo mon koye nyoma. Wo do mon kono mon koye nyom. Say Siana Shatawale choma bo. It was we a musician. Shatawale choma bo. There are more say only studio bu go and make music. Now page odin. Wo de enam de ato won. We de say Shatawale na atena wo so na afi de ten dia say Shatawale ntena wo so bi. Shatawale ja wo se ko. Enti ko na amanfo nyini say won tena wo so because when Shatawale move na kasa obe record the song or what stops it. I don't think that Shatawale tell you they don't record the song because I mean find Shatawale mama record nyuma omukra mo tuma nyesa mo ko bo show amoso mo be tom nyum mo to mo be sell wo YouTube and those things enti die tena Shatawale be tena mo say mama nyanyum enti sia da wo se mo nko mo amonko ye mo nyum kona kwa ye wo nyum sia da nento kwa enye se obi ni obi ko Shatawale se monko akaba akopɛ captain na nko na aka no munyina monko adi serve no ma monko na monko ye monyom ti de ko na ko ye monyom na Africa na fonze se na Shatawale po mafia boys o se ne ma we ne good boys mu na because ya momo nya underground kra momo nya underground beba
I know all these roads. No love in my cup for me, I feel offload. Can't waste me time, can me know how me grow. And I panic my life and I pop the show. Some of them burn them bridges, some of them cut the link. Some of them just think I just heard them end up in the beat. Some of them cross a pathway, cut off them.
It's over so I share what I say. Yeah, mama now. Yeah, mama now. Ebe mama sleepless night. We gonna give you niggas sleepless night. Shatawale knows the reason why he brought this music. I'm telling you niggas. You hear the lyrics?
Can't waste me time, coming know me grow. And I panic my life and I pop the show. Some of them burn them bridges, some of them cut the link. Some of them just think I just heard them end up in the beat. Some of them cross a pathway, cut off them trees. Some of them sell out to one done and the whole team. Some of them.
So, my family, there's high time people say to me be any because we are saying I kono Ghana nyina wo baby a wo bi asa wo te office wo adwuma bom don't be a do wachi because you are doing so good in life nipa eba wo nyina be sra kire emu ma mu mema o ma me wo de hwese wo kra wo ye panimu na wo nua keto bi ayi asen ye wo nua keto no ko atwa mpoa eti nipa bi adi wachi na bia nanam adododie bi wo abrabom but me de bia me ka say I will teach you how to fish. I will not fish for you. Enti Shatawale also is a type osa eti e kire how to fish now fish so yi nipa ni sinchen because you dey bia na betuma atete bia na hye nipa nu mu da bi so yi ni sinchen
uyi ni sin chena ko anim because Ghana for can Shatawale nso betibi ono wate na omo so saa na de ene ta wono isi aro so omo nko nti omo ko a omo nko enyum because they claim say omo ye musician yeah go and do your music because ya say oni nipa nam na nipa na keka wo chiasam obetuma kun ene so ka say omo abopokra so kwa omo nkunu no ko US obi omo obi money tuo you have all these plans and next Shatawale na enu asema woka ene me don't you na make how Shatawale life no bi abati so omo fro bi so omo no nua ko bo show kura na kapre kronfa mo omo hwe na mo da so di akire na wudi obi akina no liar wudi akire yeden wudi obi akina se no liar wudi akire wo yeden because wo I deserve wo me we wo yede wo ba me so minima djuma bi a wo ye say music ya na wo ye ana wo fa onwum bi ama hete itimu nya mo ye checha elegance na musician so de musician bi o wi as bi onkofo di nachi yes musician bi o wi as bia onkofo bebre di nachi why say Christ and disciples more di wachi it's almost say enye na obi ni nkofo ye yom pon na de stone boy or the Kevin boy de no motem tete sa hwe nipa ne no wo no who's on feel comfortable oba ho akọ because you see edua nya wo ebe wo no ye tu ase ye ntwa so because twa so be sa afefe ti se dua nya wo na be wo tu na se so what you say ntinye enne na obi ni ati be ye adwuma kasa ati ni nko there's no musician on earth on nko na no or boys boys no mo se die musicians o grumi ebitumi etumi duru be no no aye se okọ na sa akode akwaboa ne strong man free na se na ye den yeah omo so ato omo nko man for Christ adwin se bibi wase sa akode quiet type ono metena o ma se Shatawale no bia ne nipa ni su adi abono o meta asem ha na kura na wamene but Shatawale ni mimi don't you am tia no mimi wo ya made na nyanya se me kama no to I go tell you my mind me kama no tumda dabi mema wi ase who you are na odi ko bi wa fan ko di nipa no mema wi ase hu se na wote ye onipa bebre ono wo ye na de a wo de be hye ni mu wo he sa akode wo that type on kasa wo that type ana stone boy kran so sa type ni be emena oka ba Shatawale ni de o ma wonfa sa de ne mfa ne prejuaye ese sa mo ade na ye o mother side na ba father side ye yawa o senior man kwa kese ne kan sa it one wo be kan kire wo because for you to be feeding people and then the people so mo be kan wo chiasama mini umienu nyina eni me be pia ba no mo ne be kan ye hu wo so mo nam what entails they don't know tina ayi ka me ayi me call nation blogger interview me ne achipala go beef no interview me ka say there are some people they are around Shatawale omo mwa me ka sa sam na cho me ne unu beef one man kwetwam say wo ahwe me ne ayi nation blogger na o ka say e de ba futu na me de ma Shatawale no me ka sa sam no because there are some people so na me farm any prophecy me can straight up say they onkofo bi o mo Shatawale ho they are not helping and then that hono and that hono Lawrence, where are you? Lawrence, what Lawrence? Let me need him come on. Emerson Nuras, say na America. Say your uncle football Shatawale should be careful because we to sell it out. Because your uncle football Shatawale put any value to Shatawale progress, no. But they are there enjoying it. It's Shatawale and that Lawrence oil life. I don't tell you be just man okay. I told him point blank there are people and so na me no one can that. Me Shatawale me meeting 50-50 say that. Me call ni fear hoda. But me hu sa de no because ye tenom. Because we a musician oh guys e be boa. You guys be come ye good o metuma church on ma ba. Se senior man you agena to be yeah. Jay-Z mu wan nya ho wo yaro fo bi ha. O mo didi me na ai scam ya ba. You obi otumi gidan. No afa boys no ngum no mo scam ma no. Ono anso ye senior scam o. Ono a senior scam wo nya client bi na duru ba bi na se wontimi anada bre senior man na minimum bi okroma Ghana ni boy bi na mi okroma akoto no anada awaji dan mi ko na mi se scam bi ni kroma waji dan man kofo mo yesa adwuma no ono we senior mo from Ghana no mo go no mo bo se adwuma no na mi se se adwuma wo bi okroma mi yam crash me se o minim ne e o ma deport o mu nya mo makogu Ghana o mu ni kroma bi Ona mi ko hu sa de ne se waje wakofa nko free Ghana ba o mo ye adwuma no ono so ye ne de senior man eti wo di duru ba bia na emu ye wodea na o senior man abam sa na music tie yo nyungu okra musician bi abeto enso ne bia na small boys mi na twa onyo yeah it happens everywhere because mu gude mu awon na feed mu so mo ye mo nyom but mutumi the punchlines bi ba senior man to the punchlines na sa punchlines wo beto a enko but senior man ne beto a because only wo beto efa it's sanko for one as a senior man and as a tronium, as I be and any warm or any day. To the sense I'm about to club becoming and as some can mean that or about to connect to me short punchlines more. We taking over our church with more minimum. Nani, no first one to one any day. Huh? Satawale enough respect. God bless you, baby. Obia. Sir, once I never done your what I said, no friends. You say, a young could draw into a quarter 1 year 3. Me, that's my problem on it. Me, not some crime to me, function. Me, or me, sadity. Me, but P, Tatiano. Me, pay on some to do. And I love people. I want to be a Yaniji, we are seeing a Tiasio. Yaniji, we are seeing a Tiasi. Of how you are a coin. Se chine bi na beti se don't tell me ni obi ma ekwan fa ye ni tia ne se atiase yo ene se ma be gina wo me life yo na chine bi na se don't tell me ni obi ma die bi first ane ye so enya ko ahwan ya ene woni obi ma ene je be ne bum ye ntena sem biem nti ani gia ye wo wiase ade de wo wiase ane se your life it's into your life you na se tumi me ani gi wo wiase ye wo na ye woni life awo de biem so unti mimi huni pa mi filisa mimi nyeta pa metuma trafa ko se me nko ame no msa metuma ya aduane se me nko ame dida bi always I want to have friends with me na me ba company for me my friends ba asa akra man housing manager e friend me my morning say mama visitors are batra the number of visitors say ba because even you oba ha class wa ba besra me ko na me ntimi se da o me na fufu o mo hwe mi nyina o mo kurom ha o ma ba me hada ni what I'm saying obi okro be ba oba so oko metuma convince na so na because okro me ya I'll be lonely see and sap in kofon so nyame am o mo antusu right people a o be kun Yesu Kristo no mo na ma na ju o mo yi ni mai Yesu Kristo me the example Yesu Kristo o mo yi ma man ko fra bontion o mo no mo ya na mo ya wonders mo hu am tell Shatawale ka so tumi ko disike bo mo yes Sanko fona bi ne say Yesu Kristo man when you come to say Yesu Kristo the miracles are all ya and ne disciples no ke be akoy ni hu onye nipa omo abi ne say yi ni man je Judas nko an Peter mu nyina so hu what I saw case we minim ne da ono kwa ne pode na Yesu adi ka say Judas je no kwa de Judas ye ansa na Yesu beka se mu ono mo dala de ono me no case mu ba ko be yi mama Satan na Judas wakohye hye adwuma ne dada bonsam na dikan bia na hye adwuma ba Peter de tam o chese kan wo twa obi aso na Yesu ka je na be yi mama ayaka akira wo ana Peter so onim ba bi kura asem ni kosi but esiye enti omo be yi wo ma na omo no nam na o wonkofo bi mfra bonten wonkofo bi mfra bonten wo mfra bonten so ni de ono be kan wasam kura ye ngindi o oba so obesele atabe wan be je because ono nante ni ono nam ne bituma sel ni ono nam ono ne bituma sel eti se wo ono nam no se wantuma wo hwe na nyene wa nyina ama se wo gyen se amanfo be kanti dia ubewu me ka kire Kwat Lawrence say the only thing na Shatawale ne blessings bituma free ni sa ayiwo ene no wa hwe yom be kunu because omkuna a end ade no terrible checker wa yen court asenka ni nyema wa ye Suzy Williams what asenka ni wa ye Kwame Osu asenka what asenka ni wa ye Santo wo he what asenka ni wa ye dead and gone na Santo kwa ansa na ye be hu Kwakuma no wa yes it is the only thing so make that kill the shine that Shatawale is by killing him and Shatawale should be careful wanye careful ombekuno any say a sleepless night no kan o say o try no manya o try to be shoot it happens to pack to pack tiatanka ni wo notorious biaji kan ni wo di pa bebre ya ba wi asia na adom no wo mo so ade di kill shine say yi wo mo free wo it Shatawale should be careful on that angle that's the only thing because any pan there any brand there ba bia it is one anya careful e was that angle na didie mu ne namu ne nomu ne kasa mu na godie mu sa ne ma ne so careful e ho no mu di benya ho boge kra akofo yitumi de boge ne bam e bi to Samson sa intini pa ne de opewo week asofo bebre ahwe fom e ma ne ti o hwe fom obu ansam ne de negum obu aduane me sa ne ma ne de benya de yi wo free ho because Shatawale ne yehuwe no hey me say I say die we say de bia me kan nsuo na ma ebusu ne gugu fom na wo sesa fom de no Shatawale onyamfa ne sam to we mu meyi ne blessings o I'm telling you guys unso no okase ne 2020 amanfo be miracles yes it's me we Christian na abon ne ba wi aho enie me besisi wo abon ne chi no don't you I'm saying it today mark this date on say bottom boy obeka don't you me kan Obeka se don't tell me kind. And niema ebesi wo we na chi no. Ebe ji ensem because where you see that's a heavy you. You see how obekire shatawale bibi dia say oni Yesu na ayenwom. Obekire shatawale bibi a this only Yesu na ayenwom. Me catch them opeti opamentie because here baby shatawale adu no. He is known to the fucking world. I'm telling you niggas. It no her. You see there is no RT on earth. Our international RT when him shatawale. Me na me catch them. So opeti opamentie because for you to be there it's not cheap. To back one day and now hey don't and easy it is there's no idea I feel man for such go about him such no even money I feel man for be press money by yenyum because the guy is music, the guy is money, and sani man omo be ni na one be benefit most Shatawale. So if you don't know, I'm telling you nigga, Shatawale will be the best and you be on be benefit him more ewum itino mini anom ya me de bre am no don yen die hate na yete Ghana yi tank of for say ade papa say abagana media no kwantumi nkan ho asem enkan komo bia ni ho a ombetuma di apart from this enkomo ken komo bia no ombetuma di esen san komo we so media no nkan ho asem but we don't give a damn because omo nyame omo start here na kura still wa break it through so ka kire award for Ghana Music Award say me nominate no omo nominate no etine nya fe na mo be we aye be slow don share Shatawale SM fans come on board mo share na kwachire achi o nyum we untumi nya tie and then one of the mama sleepless night sleepless night move from your best don't tell do when it and I always do it from the truth spiritually them can keep them try to shoot you but me back from me band like Mr. Lijah because of the paper because of my friend that done no hater me tell them it I go better but they not pay me no attention now them simulator same get a good later the thing I give them sleepless night my mama sleepless night Shatawale. So much I shout Elvis, yeah. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo, yeah. We're doing so good, niggas. Martin Lawrence, I've not seen you on board today. What's the matter? Abubakari, thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Tony, Daddy, thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Yeah. Nana Kwesi, thanks a lot. Hey, Richie, thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Junior, man. Pa, Shatta Ike. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Yeah, boys. Odate, boys, Odate. Thanks for watching the Don. I'm giving them word. Yeah, the word in the mom. I can start to Rose Shatta. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Yeah, possible. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo. You know what I'm saying? Let me give some shout out. Rose Shatta. Big Queen Bago. Edu Collins. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. SM for life. Yeah. Possible, thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Shatta I, thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Shatta Van, thanks for watching the Don Tilo. We do when a woman sharing question. Omumu. What you say? Yeah, see who? See you, hey, Samuel Enchi, thanks for watching the Don Tilo. The thing I keep them sleepless night. I'm strong. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Good. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Yeah. So, and Kasawati, Achisa, we're doing it and we'll do it. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, good. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo, man. Yeah, SM for life. SM for life. Just listening to the lyrics in this track. Shatawale is damn music, man. Sleepless night. Hey, not time for watching the Don Tilo. It's been ages, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna catch you up, man. Everybody watching the Don Tilo. Enoch. Thanks. Yeah. Emmanuel Elvis. We're doing so good. Thanks a lot. SM for life. We will do and they will copy from us, you know? Now let me give it to them, man. Yeah. Oh, they make an and a sleepless night because the news are about and almost sleepless now. They can't even sleep. That's why I told you the other time, say you should go and ask their wives. They are not sleeping. Yeah, because they don't want us to get sa any munyamu nyame dia mind. Ba omo ye den omo nyame o. Nyame na hye wiase. Wiase ade ba ko ete Ghana edi enya obi abia adwuma kora wodwen se okoje aduro e de hyase na adwuma na bekoso. Eti ene wo ye kora ese esika duro. Why adwuma why ese esika duro. O koso kora ese we dey wafrem o. Eti akoye say there's no genuine money on earth. Motherfucker, who told you? Who told you that shit, nigga? Who told you that? You don't know what you're saying, nigga. And then how? Say, what do you mean say nyame ntumi hyira nipa? Na sika ne dwetɛ ɛwan dia. Sika ne dwetɛ Nyankopɔn dia. Nti nyame ne hyira nipa o, but ya fa ne say na wo ye kura yesi bibi hyase e o we wafrem. Enti ama ene obi ye business kura na wanya yenya ye de believe na betu nipa tirim say so ko frem. Ana ama ye de enwa ko wura ne ma bebre mu edi enya wo wiase. And Daniel man in any end. And I say we may generalize no, ye de shatter the end tonche because what is happening to Shatawale the drone to me new. Me kai Togo the first time Togo went to World Cup. Omo the Juju man Kotana Stadium was it 206? Adebayo was part of it. Omo winning match back kra. Yet say Ghana the him say anwana forward draw pa Togo. E want to draw one bunch. Draw what you want me 206 World Cup. Togo for the armor. Cameraman to me the smiles no. We say we work comes one match to man winning. Match back we say promote to man winning. It's a do now can anything. A do now can anything. He me kai pa say yesu anon me kan se ma chem na eto chicha aye pe chacha pa na o chacha wo de ne se wo buka ke na de na wa fale ho stakeless obi wa tena kumase pa wo ye guys chacha wo pesa game no nim stakeless dum don't you stakeless ba me dem be game na stakeless so on level for kra wo chacha stakeless level the whole we ase hey wo de upper first ka dan ma bra yibedi obetina me dem no ohye adwuma kwara so state me so na me follow ma me dem no moto no na me hwa ko no ba bia no obedi ko nti on ana de wo di ni quicker wontumi nti follow no de we open na chacha no so ya tocha ana wotumi ti follow no bunch that time na chacha na ska mo 5000 green no moto ba ko bia na me te ba ko obi olu nyam kwa chacha na ne eto 5000 green ye omote ba ko bia me te omoto 1 bia me te 5000 bitumi pack go me ba atuma na ba try ma me say mompon Ata ye call KV afternoon jam no de ba Sunday no. Sunday upon so afternoon jam ye call. Ma nya 5000 green. Apa ke go metem sima mia so ama na ye ma be. Na we me call tata wo club esen. We esen. Tata manana ke ayi first trap moje agi 2 cedis no. Na KV 25. Na KV 25 no mo 2 cedis. 20,000. Na first trap no mo etina KV na na board ten. Stakeless ba wo hye adwuma na mistimu ya eduru ya hu ye no wo ye malam kwa ba ye bediu wo so ye malam na wo so wo de waje aduru wo so wo aduru ye bediu chacha ye bediu ye toto challenge ye kodoma ye ko ye bediu physical level azan wo be hu malam saudi aduru ye record ni besi wo be ticket ye ma o kene de 7 na beto anim what ticket pa wo de opa buka card na hu se k no wati ye be dan na ma 7 wo se jawo Buzaza, obia obaza bi enu sade we. Stakeless wa woti kumasi na wo satam 2000 hono wo se wo pechacha no. You don't say untumi ka se unim stakeless. Stakeless obia don't tell me chiawati. From Peters time. Wa ko Peters bia unim stakeless. Wa hu enti no aduro me kasi asem aduro ni de don I no lie o. Emfa ho to so. Emfa ho to aduro so. Menyame ya wa ade. What don't want to me Chatawale Yadam say or any lab no din yame cover is up to him. But I me feeling so to me bonyame de don. Until they be because learn how to pray. If you don't know how to pray, then you are having a problem. Prayer is the key. So only mun pay about problem. And they say oh Bible, obi to me Kenya someone said the Bible look new into one kind of silly talk. Me that me a weak one. Say me kind Bible all the time me a weak, but a ban pipe body don't that look my mom me crack ninja. And then the Shatawale do that far. Remember your maker all the time. Men can say I do the bia ba and sana obe boy empire. Sabrina wo hustle mu no so mo already mu say wo hustle. So on wow obeboa. Oboan so me ma refini because no de ono already em fana sedani. Afi de aseda ne ba mo antine Shatawale be ye na o kan ma mutinya ya aseda o. Etinie ma be ba mo. Ne obeka se me de ma wura na say aseda no order no. Because one more the idea share success na say. Eti wo nya eno na aseda na Shatawale da no. no better and quiet could do 6K viewers. That's what to know what the Bible check can nyame asema. I sorry dan saying na Ghana nipa 6K bikum. Etinena sade na no kana wo praise Bible praise nyame woni ba bi edi ni beduru. Nyame adwuma na oye no. Woni eno na di inhira na eba mo no. Artist do to saying. And omo Ghana on better my life omutum the Bible kase nyame na ise bomdim. Is there any artist in Ghana? Esu ne ye hunu se wo ye rough na amafo hunu se wo ye on the gangster na adwenya on the tumbe ebe ka Bible asem. Etum the Bible bet now. Is there any artist who say bet now so your life? No I can Bible asem. Or the Bible actually. Na me kan me Bible. Who say artist bia bi da? It's only Shatawale. Ono so na yeso onye no demons. Omuntimi. Eti fake niggas no muntimi o. You can't handle Shatawale. You can never handle. Eti one time say na I can say when they choose ni friends in choose no. Who choose ni say o fan say na wadam for muntimi handle. Wati nana mo say me help Ghanaians nana ma say me help Ghanaians who are in help nana ma eno akra me consular no say ka me kra me yehu video but me chocky video ndie na ma me chocky video no we say obi abetena kroma 2 years aye adwuma 2 years okura emirate card was why stranded how obi abetena 1 year COVID-19 ba yi na obe America nyama fo adwuma abom meboa Europe nyama fo adwuma abom because me fan say obi ti America no adwuma airport na close ro ko adwuma oyin. There are more business in America here close, in Europe here close. It's on perform so my jobless. I was unclean so, but who on crata? I mean, you don't much somebody to me. Muska me tie. Me encourage me for a couple of 4 months. But busumi biya. Me make a cram dibedi. Busu obi oye juma Marriott brand biya. Marriott brand biya. E Dubai biya. Marriott brand biya. E Dubai biya. O that dem free. Busumi so I decide what did this come out. I will not go and stand there. Some I stranded. Me no me call now. I was looking for say biya. Omo ba so omo be fane ma. Ano abeka kruma oda hotel ho kire no ana obi obae na COVID-19 betum nti amana anya adwuma anye but enkofo matena kruma be 2 years 3 years ebi na no mo de ade akata kata omani mo be so omani beba no ana opeso okofi no ope free ticket ope eno me ko me ami tuka ko onra yes me ami tuka ko ekoye video. That was the reason I did not post the video. Me call kwa na taxi driver bi ai Kofi Adoma Ghana ni bi uchi taxi wa ba wa be video minim se o de am Kofi Adoma show me kasa wo sokra ko fu omo te wa omo wa betena kroma 2 years o 1 year 1.5 years aye tia ne kasa amre ni nyina o ano no be kasa wa stranded ana asem o yenya zasem eti omo ayo wa ma ebi omo de visa kitu abi ba omo kan ebi oba 3 months ni wa nya adwuma oba oya adwuma be kakra bi na adwuma na gu be ko to omo but bebri abefre mu a o matena kroma ya adwuma na o madwuma akofom se nka madwuma akofom na me pese me kofi na me de me ho akohyem bi na manya free ticket ko and sane yade of a sane yade yenye ne sa because wabetena because me kodru o masa obi on why stranded no obi boss bozi a wasali ho atro de agu o de ko wasali upon a box no adene ma watoto a de agu box mi se wo ti Dubai na wo ko Ghana na wape box dia paki ne magu masali ho kama no sala ni bi ana nipa no wo de akotena embassy wo se entwa ticket ma nko masa we di piaka we yemfa piaka o eti no wabetena kroma ya adwumu a wukura emirate card obi kura de film se me fan se ye onkofo bi o mo ba they are so stupid in nas wanya adwumu o fan se adwuma na de ana hanso labor amon no before na ye passport last year kwa na government no publish say wa o passport wo o boss obi akoje e so de ne man but company bi o ma bi o ma bi aguso o ma da so keep passport no ana one thing is passport no so company keep ma kwa save because mo ya 3 mo ya 4 mo ya 5 na mo dem obi kwa to me complain say sika na nti o passport ko show bag no obi ekofa won ya me chene ti o company o kwa dey save what is a good e save ye won ko fo oba ha woni adwuma na o se adwuma no wadwane e bia adwuma no village bia bi no wadwane satan no passport on adwuma no abetena kurum no e pakukwa because onim se wanya 2 years visa emirate kura no wadane na mu ati eno aye onye scan wadi because unche na nya adwuma kese nkokọ ya adwuma na say 1000 grams kwa na de man o say 1002 kwa na de man o tuma save bi because me ba kuruma me say we ya young boy na uti kuruma na so uni scan we ya ikwa na uni scan we ya young boy na uni scan me hu say wajimi because we betena kuruma uni iri ni ba say 1002 kwa na de man na de boso musu di 200 boso bia betum de 1000 to but no oil go ba no so no because so no oil go ba no no so je 1,002 a obedi bi obesani bi akofie obetua school fees enti ono kwa no be kire no because tama na me wo me former company na me ne yaro fo bebre ne wo ai na je 1,002 me megia me sane chop money akoma me ne memba me acha 3 months bi ametua school fees ono no ye hwenye enti sa nipa ne san ho kire no oba ho so obaji sika abitumi gwa bi nyina me gwaw ebi na sheta wala me gwaw wajimi so we small boy wo e be obi ana so na woni sika ora wajimi wo say bi e pie na hu ade papa bi a wato hye o osa to sinte bi no san ha wo me bo rough because then how this can it's sometimes to no only ni pie na ho na kick bi e hye na this we kick man because didi wachi na John say what is that John kick didi wachi na say we kick man wo hye wi enzo ntumi sanye na so offer so ya ni livu sa enti mo amo we de na ma ese o de be fam pa ma me kai mo amo mo ti amo ba ya adwuma 2 years 1 year na 3 years na makoti na wo bebrebe na mo di gu Ghana ba ni mas kai be ta kun ba ko pe we pray my security ba ko be watching the Don Tilo ya boa go be ya boa time for watching the Don Tilo, you know what I'm saying ma me fa mo so da se mo amakogu na mai se mo akogu consulate wona omo mgu on so or the tourist na ba ne sane man dia then it's time for watching the Don Tilo Transgas security kese ba go be enough respect so omo makoye san omakogu na omo de omo ba tourist ne sane man dia edin ene wa ba tourist wa nya adwuma ne ho kire no the best place ko ye tu no fine obi on so be fa ne niema ena abekana sha anya intention say obedi 2 weeks kura obi o ma ne 2 weeks visa no call the 1 week beton ne niema no ko ana wabeka those are people the government has to help them nanya wo betena ha wo bebo 2 years wo bebo 1 years a wo boska gu botom ya do ko to company say wo ye adwuma no afiri wo say ya kura wo betena krom ana ne nam town san wo nye hwe for one na mo ye na ene wo pese wo kofie enti abancha wo take it man wo dana 2 years no wo betena 2 years I don't know one kofie da dada enti the coronavirus na bank aba betena say abancha take it man anka unso watch 2 years away nka company be take it man say ko vacation because obi okroma bia na why na just one the company nye adwuma bim the company is ready to take that person obi oti kroma bia se sia me kase me nye adwuma bim me has me nye adwuma ye be pom take it mama kofie me nko frɛ kufu so me bam take it cha mu aye do mu tie nyom baba ni bi wate mu tie bi na me sa be bom mo mu tie na me bom mo no mu se ja wo hwe
the thing that keep them sleepless. And I find my life and I pop the show. Some of them burn the bridges.
What was the man making? Easy. It is here, me tears, and me cast me person me coffee. Me company be ticket mama coffee. Because we so be oti Dubai bia sama kasa me nya adwuma bia me pese me kofi omo na be ticket me nti omo na wa omo na be twa me ticket amame na even kra wotena na twa 2 years ni we omo na twa ticket ma kofi ko vacation na omo san kra ma ka crash ho omo de 2 months a year ma wo se che ho eti not to talk of say wo waka chen say wo nya adwuma bia mu no de e se company de twa ticket ma wo but e yankofo mo adwane we dwane jana passport won alba abono because we fan say adwuma no village oba not Abu Hills oba not Satwa oba not Akus oti be o town ana afede ono hu say we moa no e ho na obetena na obepa adwuma nti obetena na obepa adwuma na onya adwuma no village ontumi nkopi no wadwane na wajana passport no de na Emirates card nam ana ode bo pakukwa work eti se bosome so na wonya sika kura ntwa na ka yi problem sangofo de tutu o mafi o mo dem because our company no ye adwuma hu se sia no onya o service bi ma obetake you back so our company canceller he has to take it you back which will be oti Dubai so our company so unfair because how different from Europe no one na do visa na ba me company visa so it is sia me oversteer go me company so kabi e ba go me company so it me company ne cancel me visa so make sure say my exit and what is the meaning of exit by ticketing me out from this country. It was better now 2 years. Didn't our company who crime rate card or company ticket too. What Johnny? Your boys will do what Johnny or buy a Jumana anything. Any say what Johnny over Tinacrum. Yeah, because I think free village when any other Drukum and will be London. No share Crasby and I feel all London. Will be probably see. I'm on 40 Italy at the Spain. Only village be on what year Juma, but only your market here. eti wo tu kwa ba na so de wo pese wo tena krom shepe wanya krom adwumanti wadwane adwumanti so akonya village na ye nkrata mo ana na wo do ho be frasa ankofo no ana mo ikam ye tetem derere no me kyera ko ho e kyera yemia o mo makogo ni se don't remember o me da me wadi kyera o mo se maba obi a o hwe me bia o no ne hu me na me ka se ne o de o post video no ma Kofi TV no o ye Ghana ni o ye taxi driver o ha first video na Kofi TV post ye no eno me ko no aba ho enra me ko no aba ho amayi me ko no mato consulate num eti chroma CID local ana oteka white no gina ho so ma Ghana ni bia me gina ni mo eti wako consulate ora wo de ba chesi hotel no bo beto gardens bi ho amanfo threat na se bia nka wapie no threat na mo gye mfnama no e ho no makogu ve eti me ko consulate na me ba ho na me hu omo ho ana me sa ko consulate na me ko hu man no gina ni mo eti me bedu na boys ni bi ka say CID ni bia ba ho pam so obi amfiri na me se me economy ni CID na kokasa na me koye na me kobusa ma na so omo ne Ghana consulate na kasa many times sem ni parodo na omo ni sika omo ni etua sa Emirates sika 3000 enti omo ne aban na kan ye hwe kwan paso a aban ne bebam aba be bom enti omo guso omo kasa ba omo pese ni papa be gu ani ma bebre because esa social distance ne kura ni so I should speak to them me call me down ho di kire na my blogger me say ni my own video me kire mu kire no ana omo so open heart no o kan bibia kire me enti me ba back na be ka chom se mo nko ani mo biem because say na ayi ne ka to ko na konya asem bia later ko ambedu fie me te say yes acheche boys be 5 so omo ti da people omo ho a omo betena kroma omo nya omo merit card omo di dwane ye enti ese kroma kwa de bia ba ha o ko ye adwuma wura na pese utua officer busum bi oto officer o kan o say an omo ye visa man kofo a blacks no omo di dwane why ye visa man na wanya merit card no o di dwane o de dwane because nim so obetuma bia adwuma na ye makini bia 30 drama day a company or that company accommodation kama onim so obetuma konya day by day adwuma bia e bia man 100 dram so kura emirate card inti no adwane no de nipa na di sika ye emirate card ma no de adwane sa ba day adwuma no so no enye de bia na wo ho eti fa ne se e whole man to enye bia anya de na de betua wo dan ka mo woni ti bibla ponche na be ma na chi eti wo hu mu bia no ma ye basa wo hu mu bia no ma ye basa that's the truth wo asema si Dubai mu so ube bia no my pasa no na mo wa ba benya won krata tena wona ye adwuma because after 6 months what your probation awie utumi pay adwuma for free ho wo gi Emirates card na wo de adwane se se our passport aka mo ye onkofo Nigeria for na yesa okroma Ghana ni de we de dwane ja passport ho na bebre aba consulate o mo pe kwan bia consulate beto mo krata no ma tu kwan with their passport. Why are you doing that? What have you done to your company that you are running away? I should say that question. E dia na why your company ni tia wo dwane consulate no am call bebre aba o mo pese o munya nkrata bi o metum de atukwa with their passport and it's fake say e buy na ke company ni sa ke nuru hawo eti abrabona kakra satawale o certificate bandana from Ghana wo cha 10 years when your success bia wo kosa buy e rebranding ho e se san ni ye bi eno no ena ya de bia mechanic growth eno ho be bia satawale du san e se wo yenti wo be rebranding ho ade sha woni ema ye obekwa kuduru bia peso kuduru ba so anya ne sa na peso ba ma be yisu adwo obi ni sika ye visa ma wo ena adwuma no mpe no kwa ma na nya visa ma wo because answer na be adwuma be tomprente obe sign offer letter obe what it entails in the job so men konkoje no akoje adwuma na we what ni sika ye visa ma wo so be ma 1000 wo so ma no waji sika what sign unya Emirates card na wadwane no aba betena Bo Hills aba town what the town adwuma bia nso ni order best space bosumi bia betua danka bosumi bia betua danka bosumi bia obetua danka eti 419 apo eno mbubu nkofo afi wo ye visa man nkofo oba no aboli trimpem eno no man nkofo ka se agent sa boys na yes ade no no mo ne na ma no makopa adwuma oku so onya adwuma ba waje Emirates card oku konya adwuma ran ka se me ntumi nya visa man pon no abese sa Ghana fo waje obi 1000 no dem ko mudim kodu apawu because baby otene na on so nche ofio se bia hia union no group mo union no adaga mo ntimi ni ba bia ote mo so mba fortunate to ho ba bia ote no hadan han ne boso ntise Ghana dan han 2 years no it's a ne odupu ma obetum kura jai akọ han ba fu because bia dan na wa otua 600 mo ye nipa beton de makọ adwuma waje obi 1000 wanya 10000 it's 600 no ja ho no akọ han dan wa wu okọ eno ne ade omode abetena kru ma ye kase agent sankofo na no abekọ me se da kọ ye me investigations na me hwene mo ye but still now there are people omode tourists by this early this year oh my stranded bibri ho ah no na yes listen na Akufo-Addo mo because obi ono be pay adwuma wanya adwuma do oni sika odi twa ticket ana Nkofa no mo be fa nema obeda hotel bi 2 weeks obi oba January they say wada hotel free satam no just imagine ama say kontumi na hotel akoda best space. They are people we want to help. They are the people we want to know. What try 2 years 3 years 1.5 years now we person abo for where me try kuma me di 1 year me ko Ghana bi so obi o adwuma selling perfume bia me na me twa me ticket because na company no the mra na say ade so 2 years and say we twa ticket am in and out but me twa 1 year na ma fe me yere na me man have to go me na me twa me ticket in and out bi so obi o adwuma selling perfume bia me na me twa me ticket ko eti wo wa try adwuma over 1 year now so ntumi twa ticket nko Ghana ada wodu sika na yeden ana wo betena koma so e so we business minded wo mo wadwumu bi ne say wo ji akatua wakatua na wo je na nko ano ene usika you just concentrate on the money that you are receiving and they will dump. There are more links here. There are more shit here. Boy, do you am a chrom fan yama ko Ghana for we laptop there and air sa me chechro. It is all bobo sika no ane to me accumulate be 5,000. Now they are funny man na de call. I scam am. It who account do o madana to mama. It is the sika na wo send ko nke 70 million. Yan ton ye mani ngene bia ko do 200 million. Wonya sika. Eno nya boss enya adwuma na we ne di tua wo ka wo. And who you sue no into abetena kuro man wase evu kakra ya woni ama bebre na amanfo frika na beto ne ma wa na wa wote ane common sense amanfo frika na be fa ne ma wa ko na wa wote when opportunity na wo de wote ya of the obetuma ko chinchin a wo nim la bebre okuro ma sen ne oba no ye se wo na wi abo na ni abo into ne oba kuro man no nim la bia ba wo de kuro man tu nim la okuro ma etu bo shop bebre abetuma fa ne ma ko Ghana ko twa it what tema wanya be what say we be 5,000 now the 5,000 come agata ni nyama beto unu nyama beto be 70 million unu nyama beto what to nyama ne ko ye be twa ama wanya wonfa so adaho ntu ti anto be wanya 150 million da Ghana confidence wo san save ya na ko nti na make say young boys no mutiko mo niska no magimi because wo san niska ko fie bia ma mbi na be yo ma be dash no obi okura fie maami musa na be na ukura hiri kwa madia scan bi be ko ba woni sa na madi bia usika na wai eso bi o adwum na scan ye adwuma scan ye adwuma na first camera you will not complain, you will never ever complain. I'm telling you this, you won't complain. But over Trana so why is I feel Mr. Kohe boys also what satwa what the way they are hustling nigga. A crazy one the end of the batum it get the thing straight. What is happening to Dubai na machichi muno. But my point and I was talking about this. If you have to try, so do over 2 Yameso and price over your dread sem. And I'm out Yamea Wadum when the scarlet stones walk with your driver chassis. Yamea Wadum walk with school in your office and so would you drew this animal and found baby. Open position, you never drew scratching, we are Juma, Obi catching, you never drew so, what ton idea or store conquest or the dracotum, it won't you'll be exposed one day. One day you'll be exposed. And try so when you open Yamea or Quanti, Yamina be do a bravo so kind. Would you be calling my baby? So what's not catch him to be a shatawale drew and over them. Once in the air, anyone who you know, your friend said, a CCC, yes, a CCC, seeds in Anako, and the to wrong press with the body, shatter near Kofano, shatter near Kofano, and near drew a Yankopon, on in some wisha, and many by order or bread to my feeding come. It is a open so tenacious and I wouldn't think Kunimo Abrabo Wimwa. I saw a hard working, now you view. Shatawale is a hard work. Once I say, Utumika will be crowned Kobe, be no other. How hard workers? You should be hard working and be real. Because when you go home, what's one yama and one yama? It's all TV as now Susi Sinipa, we see Yanko Fazadi or 2 Ubuni Paquasia, Ubunyame Quasia. What's over 2 about was in Scomate, my mamma and Sue, a comate, my mamma, my piano. And was another banner beside Sue. Was one yama union, one yama. Whatever we be, I will tell you, Pebiano, yet Yanko. Be careful about this. Service to God is service to man. So if you want to say you are doing something good to God, that do good things to human, and then didn't share bro. And you can say or try so bob, then call for more ben no, and it's any money but so won't say any panel more. Aye, you were in a sin channel him. Because I say a man for Becanti, Sango for Becanoso, Obian or dear Ganaba to what table so. Shatawale to any success no, ye did on and hard work and never do every order. It's a Omubi Binana so ya, ye jana man. Because on one eye and idea do sabre, yet and see a support. But the pair banner come be building on one more thing in Yamia or then one Thomason. Because it's a whole new fans no. But maybe I shall tell her to one in him and what kind of secret. ni nyame so nti fan bia we SM fan fa ho to awurade so and be real in life be a hard worker sema chata ye hard worker and fere djuma pe djuma na nyame be hire afa wo djuma num what to kwan how ba bia men fere djuma ni ba be tete UK ni US na wa de title wo mu ni ka pre me na me ka kire ho man 40 US Italy London one cap pre ko mu ni e bi put the man for nchen me na me don't know na me ka kire because we have families o mu live ho you want for me will followers o mu ho you want ko fo be breed tete Europe ni America kro kese no so cap pre ko mu ni bi but o mu de title o mu kuntan ezu e bia na o te Ghana ni ja wo e bia o te ba bia ni ja wo e bia o te Dubai na o ne ma e bia o te Saudi na ne ma fa na o te Kuwait ni nya no hard working ene wadwen pa de betin trim ene ha obebo bra ene be modu ba bia wudu obi ti Kuwait ko ofia wasi wo Ghana obi ti America tin ko onsi obi ti Qatar obi ti koko hu sa ne ma no wo e di nya no hard working na ba bia wo bia no be a hard worker obi ti Ghana on 2 point da efia wasi ni ko yembe show what I say just be a hard worker I'm telling you this be a hard worker and be real and just be real in life men try to be obi akwasa obi bo akom na wana say mo ojo ni si nchen na to abrabos ko ye wo no no nka ho e bia sa nipa no o kan ho because say oni e papa bia wo nya adidi nti na odi wachi anya sa de ankan what I say ache sa gaza what e be mo sleepless night. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks for having time for me. Thanks for sharing my video. What I say, Damasibe Brave. I don't know make I say. So also follow me on Facebook. Mr. Oba Don Tilo, King of the Universe. I'll be to my follow me on Facebook. And I say, I say YouTube na me say SM for me subscribe my wati. Oba the Don Tilo. Obi me tutu me ntoma da ho. Just subscribe for me na enkoso ma me. E ba ka ho na me twa video no. Let's show you one love what you say. It's SM fan no fear see am ko YouTube na mo subscribe ma me. The Don Tilo. Why Mr. Mo bebre. Mr. Mo pa mo ende ehia me YouTube wono. Ma mo ko na mo subscribe. Ma na obi a wo me bia wo follow me no. Obi a follow mo ha ya Don Tilo. King of the Universe. Who follow me ha. Me ye video bia e be notify no ha me straight. What you say na fe na obi be share mo anya bia hwe. Ebe bomb out fast. Me the message bia ba won sabe kan what you say. YouTube no so dey hear me papa. Go and subscribe for me. Obi na about the Don Tilo a. Eno wan no obi hu me ho no subscribe am wate. Me da munyina mate se munya time am. Me hire munyina. Me first sleepless night ni wi o mo last hour. Muntie nyum papa.
Some of them just them ways and them rude. Because them can run from the truth. Spiritual them can kill, so them can shoot you. But me bad from me band like Mr. Lee Mama. Because of the paper, because of my friend that done a hater. Me tell them that I go better, but they not pay me no attention. Now them simulators, same get the youth on later. The thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night. Because of the paper, because of my friend that done a hater. They tell them that I go better, but they not pay me no attention. Now them simulators, same get the youth on later. The thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night.
Whoa!
The times show them love and them turn to be afraid. Mama say, watch out your best friend could I your enemy. From the banners and like
Hey, go Morris. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo. Thanks for another one, Mantel. Yeah. Job G. Thanks for watching the Don Tilo. You know, we're wrapping up. You know what I'm saying? Don't you so having time for me, spending your data on me.
How long them go find a great one? Mr. Rambo tell them, say them all a late.
Rambo tell them.
Soldier from me band, me my man a brave man. Because of the paper, because of my friend that done a hater. Me tell them, it go better, but they not pay.
And my for we rap in chum. That track we video na man for can one say. And I shut away amana anye, you know. Let me my can't say we in chum. This is a reggae team. Shatawale na two reggae Afro tracks all Ghana in ada. Ghana kwara say kempe reggae sa wadi reggae na be shata baby ya. And reggae so dey omonye videos akese ko reggae artista uni mo Bob Marley no wan say no omonye video far say ya change there bi. Say ban say oh yeah rappers and a video because omo ye ni mo US omo na yes ane ma no. But e ban dance so I would
Bini Mane Stonebwoy video omu flash be ne wom ti dance or there who follow dance or omo shara ne ma ye flashy reggae dey enye ne flashy o Ghana for mu ni music and then am kasa omo bia ene akora bia na oka music wo dey me so pa akọhwe reggae artist e oni Bob Marley Lucky Dube mu akọhwe omo go and watch their videos kona go omo videos Sleepless Night is a reggae team enye se flashy bia bam reggae is about message reggae anything reggae so won video no kwa na wo toa wo tie lyrics na wo hwe reggae and the message in eba content of the message that we talking about it's here born no radio so reggae na wo to no wo be video ansa na why da bi reggae any video nko message na eba no mo pe it's okay so wo to reggae team na say wo great message bi a wo eba if you don't know I'm telling you this wo kwa big message na wo eba it's reggae there it's about a message and to take enyom na wo say no video kura nya maaye no na amanfo afili dey benti no afili because of the content of the music the message across message na wom no na nya video dey no so for video mra because and some na wonum no na say reggae dey tie by message no if you don't know I'm educating you guys ntina make say Shatta Wale no he knows what he's doing on ayo wo be kire on ye Shatta is right Saju Sleepless Night and then I saw where flashy other afro and afro and where afro na be sane man be flashy show near ma ba reggae there yen shows it's about the you know enyum no and some wonum no ne epetie that's why we call reggae it do pack where reggae TV woni mo bia na home videos flash nim but message na wo na be mo atubu fa Lucky Dube ba utie nim Bob Marley culture pitot utie o mo na message no utubi Dieting I want to be worse than Walker. And some the woman about Reagan yet day. What boom. It's about the worst in it. What was a legacy? No, or only what set him. And you know, Reagan is about messaging a woman to more munima. And I'm more a Ghana, a woman shame, crank crabby, and no one day almost say, and I'll be a kind of effect. And then you don't know music. I'm telling you, if you're doing that, you don't know music. For real. You don't know music. Yeah, Frank, I do your time. You say you're watching me from Dubai. Thanks a lot. Thanks for so reggae there is about music, it's about message. Oh. Reggae comes with message. It don't mean kasa oba to reggae. Na message papa bi anim. Ade am Sleepless Night na yenya message na ewum no. And am Sleepless Night na bodam no. Eti video ne de fatu be pa fresh Stonebwoy na fresh Samini na busi na sema don't know make. So mo yebi. They will tell you reggae comes with message. It's a message and I want you to know a buy idea and I want you Afro crab beat to my what they say, you just what they say, chew baby. Reggae, you could chew about there be. No reggae, I saw ban the airborne disco and was so baby, my witchin there be. Reggae, a message, what I want to be. It's a video quenwa and some the woman, but your Afro hip hop, no, my West the crowd want it. But the German and what they said, dear Saba reggae, dear, so to West no. We listen reggae by the voice in the track. Reggae be a tear reggae near castle, and you wear air da reggae way a guy, and you may walk, and some a woman, and some a walk a human, a more reggae stand tall. But say, over to my bonum, now a one corner, about the bay, once a best seller, a new reggae track. It is for fun. Once it to be best seller, they didn't know what's our one corner. They didn't know, but won't mean more reggae, sir. Reggae the whole boy say and semuma we be to make tie nsem no na o kama no ho o kama obi sa na reggae if you don't know Shatta Wale is teaching you Ghanaians mo say mo was written na dey bi no mo ye interview no mo fe ni bu fu pa na me pomika say onya abotre no church ro mo eti reggae there enya it's not about say be dey west ne won sem no eti nya abotre na tie Sleepless Night no obeti ne o kan say it's not about say you can say yeah video effect reggae video ne promote reggae music. It's about a west you person obo reggae ne ko akira anya video abaye content and some the woman no and be man akoso what I say it wa unim reggae mu a be kasa begwegwe there unim we be kira what and if you cannot beat us you better join us be the munyina ma sisi obi here. Thanks for watching the Don Till what I say achisa ya mama Ever more. Attention, got them simulator, same get a good computer. The thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night.
Cause of the paper, cause of my friend that done no hater. Me tell them it a go better, but them not pay me no attention. Now them simulator, same get a youth on later. But the thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night. I am my no time, I me know all these ropes. No all of them a get for me a feet offload. Can't waste me time, cause me know how me grow. And I panic my life and I pop the show. Some of them burn them bridges, some of them cut the link. Some of them just
Chat all over Kumati.
some of them lost them ways and them.
See that? So thanks you guys for watching the Don Tilo, you know. You're watching Don Tilo TV, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Others are just oh, Anabaye, I'm doing so good. I'm Anabaye, you know. Yeah, time for watching the Don Tilo. We gonna give you sleepless night. You don't go sleep. We will not go make you sleep.
The thing I give them sleepless night. The thing I give them sleepless night.
Timida munyi na masi nyami shire we bia why and me di mu abi si ne Don Tilo ya pon what you say timi pa me bo nyina ne say Nyankopon nye obi apede ma no Nyankopon ma obi akoma pa obi this one di hu bi asun bi obi ade ne ma ne mrem ma no what you say tini mesre ne say you guys should follow me here Don Tilo, King of the Universe, follow me. Say the be me I me nyam what you say you say the do na ya de because SM family be say big and the YouTube what them say wa me ne bia de ofri akọ YouTube about the Don Tilo obehu say me tutuntum ada what they go and subscribe for me pa umia so a me de bibia beto bia on sabeka so I beg of you so you SM fan so you SM fan a wo hwe me ne bia no ko subscribe ma what na me so mintumi nko ne fan sempa na mra de bia what you say be real to yourself, be real to your friends, be real to all people around you so that on nyame di unshira be ma we faker onyama be fake we real onyama be real me da mu nyama nyame shi obi bia so me see you guys later.